Hey, this is Marko, and in this video I'm going to show you how to manage parental controls in Roblox. In the privacy section of Roblox settings, you'll find the ability to adjust who can contact your child, who can invite your child to other servers, etc. You can also add a PIN, so these settings can be adjusted without entering the PIN. So basically to do it, you need to log into your Roblox account, verify it, go to the gear icon, settings, then go to privacy, contact settings, and select your preferred options for all of the additional drop-down menus. Then go back to account security, account PIN, turn it on, add the PIN. You can also add account restrictions, enter your newly created PIN to unlock it, and you can now log out of the website if you want. You have added everything. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.